Hey buddy, welcome to this vid tutorial. Today I'm going to show y'all on if your game is lag specking with heavy map combos such as Reforma, Coast to Coast, Promos, stuff like that. I will show you on how to fix it so it doesn't do that in the future for you. Alright, so we want to go to your file explorer down here. Alright, and then you want to go to, hold on. And then you want to go to where you go to documents. This is for American Truck Simulator, by the way. And if you use Euro Truck Simulator, just follow the same steps. You want to go to Euro Truck Simulator, American Truck Simulator documents. And then scroll down to where it says config.cfg and double click that. And then you want to press Control F on your keyboard. Now, you might not have this command, like it might say not found. But you will have to add it. So you just take the command and then you paste at the very bottom right here, like it is right here. And then you want to set that, if it's a 64, change that to a 128. Then you want to type in the search file bar, you want to type in the word buffer in there. And then you change that. So just change that. If you have it at 50, change it to a 10. Just keep it at a 10. And then like I said with this where is it? This one, if your window duration is set on 100, change the window averaging window duration to 120, and then keep the window length to 100. Make sure this is at the this command right here is at the very bottom of every single line. All right, and then once that's done, you go to file and you click save 3 times. Then you can X that out. And then after that, make sure you have all the mods and stuff you need. Then I will launch my game and I will show you what happens next. Just to let y'all know, if you're having some trouble with this, I will leave a comment in a link in the description below in case y'all need help with this. But we are going to, once this loads, it might do the Steam Workshop stuff. If it doesn't, if it does, just wait. So once this loads, we will go into a test profile so I can show y'all what it would do with the change settings. Like now, like it depends on your Wi-Fi or internet, how long it takes for it to load. Depends on. All right, and then once it loads, you press OK. Then go into the profile that you want. I have different profiles here, but don't worry about that. Just go into the profile you want. I'm going to go into this one. And then you want to go to mods. And then once that loads, I'll show you where they going if you're using Promos, Scoring with America, any of that stuff. All right, so you want to scroll down on your list down here. And then you want to, if you're using this Coast to Coast Special Edition, you can, it is a paid, so you do have to download that. If you don't use it, that's fine. If you don't use it, for Coast to Coast, you put Coast to Coast at the bottom, and then this if you have it. If you don't have it, just ignore that. And then you want to put the Discover North America right here, and then you want to press confirm changes down here. After we're done, alright, press confirm changes, so it'll be real fine for me. And then you want to press, and then it might show up this download information update, but that is fine. That is perfectly normal. And then you want to press continue career right here. And then just wait for it to load. And then once this loads, we will go into the game and we will do a test to see how it works. Like I said, with that command, what it's supposed to do, it's supposed to reduce stuttering. I tried it at first with the buffer size at 50, but apparently I read that if you have higher than 10 because of 1.60 how they changed the game engine and stuff, it will choke your CPU from your computer. Like that just means like, like it'll make it complicated for it to process. Once this loads, I will. Alright, then once your game loads, you want to click drive down here like you usually do. And let the game load for a minute. And then we are going to go to a mod state. Like we're gonna go to, because we're in Orlando. I'm gonna quick travel. Actually, we're gonna quick travel to Jacksonville right here. As an example, to travel anywhere, I'm going to quick travel here for this video. And wait for this to load. And then it should, like right now, I'm getting a full 60 on the left corner, if y'all can see. But like I said, it should work and stuff, but it might still lag spike because that's just how the game is. But if it doesn't, just let me know. If it works, if it doesn't work, just let me know and I will make an updated video on this. And thank you all so much for watching. Hope this helped, and I'll catch y'all in the next video. Thank you guys.